In this video, I will show you what's inside the package sent to me by DigitalOcean in partnership with Intel and Dev community. I will also tell you how I got the limited edition package after the unboxing part of this video. So this is the package which I received on 8th January 2021. You can see Hacktoberfest 2020 is written on the package. Hacktoberfest is the annual virtual festival conducted every October to celebrate open source software, which is presented by DigitalOcean, Intel and Dev community in partnership with GitHub. If anyone contributes to open source projects, then they will get this package too. This package includes a limited edition t-shirt and some cool stickers. This year's Hacktoberfest saw many difficulties because of too much spam contributions. Some users were just adding or removing white spaces from code just to get the t-shirt. They were not passionate to contribute to open source projects. First, we will see the stickers one by one. This is the sticker of CircleCI. CircleCI is a continuous integration platform to automate testing and deployment of software. CockroachDB is an SQL database for building scalable cloud services. This is the logo of DigitalOcean, which is a famous cloud infrastructure provider. This is the domain to view Indeed's open source projects. This is the logo of JetBrains, the famous software company. Its PyCharm Python IDE is quite famous. This is the logo of Mattermost, which is an open source chat service. Raise.dev is a platform where a developer can get a real-world experience with the help of a coach. This is about 4M, using which dev.to website is made, which is a famous community among developers. This is the Hacktoberfest 2020 logo. And this is the logo of Dev community. This is one of the variants of GitHub AutoCAD, which is present in the GitHub logo itself. The logo of Intel. A cardboard logo of Hacktoberfest 2020 containing their social media IDs. This is the pixelated smiling whale related to DigitalOcean. A card from Intel. And now, it's the time for the t-shirt. Now I will show you my contributions to open source projects, which I made in the October month. As you can see, I made a total 134 contributions to 9 projects, some of which include my own personal projects. And I made contributions to 6 public open source projects, most of which were Django projects. Those who don't know, Django is a powerful web development framework created using the Python language. I will provide the link to some of my contributions in the description. Among all the contributions, my favorite was this one, in the Jkreti project. Jkreti is for Django plus Secreti. As the name implies, this website creates secret key for any Django website. Secret key is a very powerful and confidential setting in Django projects, which is used for making hashes. It is a type of cryptographically secure signature. So, what contributions did I make? My contribution was rather simple. but
It's necessary.
this website has two themes, light and dark. But if any user selected dark mode and then refreshed the page, the user again got the light theme. In simple words, the theme was not preserved. So, what I did, I added a simple JavaScript code and some CSS which stores the user's desired theme in local storage of the browser, so that the state is preserved even if the user refreshes the page or closes the website and opens it again. You can see, if I open the developer console and type local storage, I get the name of the preserved theme. My contribution was liked very much by the owner of this project. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to some of my contributions on GitHub. I also worked on a project named GetADoc, which is a health mobile application that connects patients to doctors. This project is for Nigeria and it is still under development. I worked on a project Forward, which is a web application to allow users to describe others with just 4 words. In the end of 2020, the owner of this project deleted the repository from his account, after which I became the owner of this project. I will carry forward the project whenever I will get time. Hacktoberfest inspired me to make my own Python package. Specifically, it is a Django package whose name is DJ Gravatar. Simply said, this library takes an email address as input from the database, then hashes the email using MD5 algorithm, then requests the image with the hashed URL from the Gravatar website to display a user's avatar in a Django website. It has much more basic functionalities. Anyone with Python and pip can install the package by typing pip install DJ Gravatar on the terminal. Now I will show you very briefly how I ordered the t-shirt. After completion of the Hacktoberfest challenge, I got an email from DigitalOcean which had the unique link to order my limited edition swag. There were 2 colors available, white and blue. I ordered the blue one with XL size. After I got my t-shirt, I realized that the t-shirt is too big for me. I should have ordered the S or M size. Then, you have to provide some personal information and tell your Hacktoberfest story. That's it. After your order departs, you will get a tracking link. You also get a unique number by which you can track your package using your country's postal provider. In my case, which is India Post, my package took around 2 months to reach me. So, that was all in this video. See you in Hacktoberfest 2021. I encourage you to take part in contributing towards open source projects. It helps to build a community which can solve many challenges by just sitting in your homes. Thanks for watching this video.